How to manage your API keys in n8n. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can quickly and simply manage all of your API keys in n8n. So for that, the first thing that you will need to do is simply launch your n8n instance. In my case, I am launching it on my localhost instance. And then I'm going to click onto the settings option, and within settings, click on n8n API. From here, you can see all of the API keys that you have already generated. Now from here, if you wish to manage any particular API key, you can simply click onto these three options and you get these three submenus. The first one is to edit. If you click here, you can change the label or the scope of this particular API key. The scope can easily be set from all to read only to custom scope, which includes these particular settings and these particular subsettings as you can see right here. From here, if you wish, you can simply change the scope. If not, what you also have is this option of rotate. So for example, if this particular key gets leaked, you can simply click onto this rotate button and it will simply revoke this existing key and it will create you a new key with the similar functionalities. And here you can see that the key has been successfully changed while keeping in the same settings. And then we have this revoke option. So if you wish to delete this particular API key, you can simply click onto this revoke button and the API key will be successfully deleted. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.